we're starting up. Pass by. I don't got no other place to go. I would though if I could. Some undercut there, not really working them off. Oh gosh. Oh, for Pete's sake. Jesus, I'm being attacked by flies while I do this. Downfalls of this beautiful spots is that the trash tends to, attract the things that like trash. My ass and flies, I guess. Oh, goodness. Sit here and chew for a second, I guess. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now, where from here? Sure. I think I'm gonna go big-ish. Don't want to go in that hole right there because there's a stinky poo wipe in there. So I'm gonna avoid that. I'm gonna go up this. Try to anyway. Avoid the doo-doo swamp. Go. Oh, there's another little mookie wipe hiding right up in there, so and right around in there, so I don't want to go there either. That's part of the mastery of finding these good spots. Is you gotta play the field as it lies as far as the poo-poo wipes go. See, there's another hung up on that rock, but I'm going to swing around there completely, get right up here in this V-notch that's just right for our little purposes today here. Oh, come on, Lord Jesus, let my truck bite. Don't let me get hepatitis. Oh, this dirty hole. Jolly Rancher wrapper up at the top there, I'm really aiming for. The same person put these poo-poo wipes in there. There we go, that might be something. Oh, there we go. Perfect. That's just a little element. That gatekeeper back end on it. And a 1040 and a whatever this guy is, and a Endura motor, I think. That's it. Do all right around these doo-doo wipes, man. I like her.